For years, Linux users have debated which distribution deserves to be called the future of desktop computing. Every few months, a new project appears, promising better performance, easier software management, stronger security, or a more polished user experience. Yet most of these projects remain niche, attracting only a small community of enthusiasts. But as we move through 2026, one question is being asked more than ever before. What will be the next big Linux operating system that convinces millions of users to switch? While nobody can predict the future with absolute certainty, the Linux landscape is changing rapidly, and one thing is becoming clear. Users are no longer looking for a distribution that is merely powerful. They want something that is reliable, modern, simple, and ready for the AI-driven future of computing. The Linux desktop has matured tremendously over the last decade. What was once considered an operating system only for programmers and system administrators has become a viable option for students, creators, gamers, and professionals. Modern Linux distributions offer beautiful desktop environments, excellent hardware support, and software libraries that rival anything available on proprietary platforms. The challenge is no longer functionality. The challenge is creating a distribution that removes complexity without sacrificing flexibility, making Linux attractive to everyday users while still satisfying advanced enthusiasts. One of the biggest trends shaping Linux in 2026 is the rise of immutable operating systems. Traditional Linux distributions allow users to modify almost every part of the system. While this provides incredible freedom, it also introduces risks. A single mistake can break critical components, forcing users to spend hours troubleshooting. Immutable distributions solve this problem by separating the operating system from user applications. The core system remains stable and protected, while applications run independently. This approach dramatically improves reliability and security, making Linux easier to maintain and less intimidating for newcomers. Many experts believe the next major Linux success story will emerge from this immutable movement. Distributions based on modern technologies such as atomic updates, containerized applications, and rollback functionality provide an experience that feels more predictable and polished. If an update causes issues, users can instantly revert to a previous version. If an application misbehaves, it remains isolated from the rest of the system. These features reduce frustration and bring Linux closer to the appliance-like reliability that mainstream users expect from modern technology. Another major factor influencing Linux adoption is gaming. A few years ago, gaming on Linux was often considered an afterthought. Today, the situation is dramatically different. Advances in compatibility technologies have allowed thousands of Windows games to run smoothly on Linux. Hardware vendors have improved driver support, and gaming-focused software ecosystems continue to expand. As more gamers discover that Linux can provide excellent performance without sacrificing access to their favorite titles, distributions that prioritize gaming support are gaining significant attention. Artificial intelligence is also transforming expectations for operating systems. In 2026, users increasingly rely on AI-powered assistants, local machine learning models, and intelligent productivity tools. Linux distributions that integrate AI features effectively may gain a substantial advantage. Instead of forcing users to install and configure complex AI frameworks manually, future-focused distributions could offer seamless integration with local language models, development assistants, content generation tools, and automation platforms directly from the desktop environment. Such capabilities would appeal to developers, creators, and professionals alike. User interface design has become equally important. Historically, Linux distributions often focused on technical excellence while neglecting user experience. Today, successful projects understand that first impressions matter. Clean layouts, intuitive navigation, consistent application design, and polished visual aesthetics can significantly influence adoption rates. The next big, Linux operating system will likely combine technical innovation with a user-friendly interface that feels approachable from the moment it is installed. Software availability remains another critical consideration. While Linux software repositories have always been extensive, users increasingly expect access to the latest applications without worrying about dependency conflicts or outdated packages. Universal packaging technologies continue to improve, making it easier for developers to distribute applications across multiple distributions. The Linux distribution that best balances software availability, performance, and simplicity may gain a significant competitive advantage in the coming years. Hardware compatibility is also becoming a decisive factor. Many users switching from Windows or Mac OS simply want everything to work immediately. Wi-Fi, graphics, printers, webcams, Bluetooth devices, and external peripherals should function with minimal configuration. The distributions most likely to succeed in 2026 are those that prioritize hardware support and provide a smooth, out-of-the-box experience. Every obstacle removed from the installation process increases the likelihood that new users will remain on Linux permanently. Community support continues to play an enormous role in determining a distribution's success. Technical excellence alone is rarely enough. New users often need guidance, tutorials, forums, documentation, and active communities willing to answer questions. The Linux operating systems that cultivate welcoming environments tend to experience stronger growth and retention. A vibrant community transforms an operating system from a piece of software into an ecosystem where users feel supported and empowered. Enterprise adoption may also influence which distribution becomes the next major success story. Businesses increasingly recognize the benefits of Linux, including reduced licensing costs, improved security, and greater control over infrastructure. When organizations deploy Linux on a large scale, employees gain familiarity with the platform, creating a ripple effect that encourages adoption beyond the workplace. A distribution that successfully bridges the gap between enterprise requirements and consumer usability could emerge as a dominant force. Cloud integration is another area where Linux distributions are evolving rapidly. Modern users expect seamless synchronization across devices, easy access to cloud storage, and straightforward deployment of applications between local systems and remote environments. The distinction between desktop computing and cloud computing continues to blur. Future Linux distributions that embrace this reality while preserving user privacy may attract significant attention from both individuals and organizations. Security concerns are driving even more people toward Linux. Cybersecurity threats continue to grow in sophistication, and users are becoming increasingly aware of privacy issues. Linux distributions that emphasize secure defaults, transparent development practices, and strong privacy protections align with the expectations of modern users. Security is no longer just a feature for technical professionals. It has become a mainstream concern that influences purchasing and platform decisions across all demographics. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Linux in 2026 is that innovation is coming from multiple directions simultaneously. Some projects are reinventing system architecture through immutable technologies. Others are refining desktop experiences, enhancing gaming support, integrating AI capabilities, or simplifying software management. The next big Linux operating system may not win because it excels in a single area. Instead, it may succeed because it combines the best ideas from across the Linux ecosystem into a cohesive and accessible experience. The distribution that ultimately captures widespread attention will likely share several characteristics. It will be easy to install, secure by default, reliable during updates, compatible with modern hardware, friendly to gamers, capable of supporting AI workloads, and welcoming to newcomers. Most importantly, it will make Linux feel effortless. Users should spend less time maintaining their systems and more time accomplishing their goals, whether those goals involve work, creativity, learning, or entertainment. As we look ahead, the competition among Linux distributions has never been more intense. Developers around the world are experimenting with new approaches and challenging old assumptions about what a desktop operating system should be. The result is an ecosystem filled with energy, creativity, and opportunity. While no one can say with certainty which distribution will become the defining Linux operating system of 2026, one thing is clear: Linux itself is entering one of the most exciting periods in its history. The next big Linux OS may not simply attract existing Linux users. It could become the platform that finally convinces millions of people that the future of personal computing is open, flexible, secure, and powered by Linux.